Kara has a question for us that involves a wreck. She says, I was in a wreck and the other driver's insurance company called and left a message about getting a recorded statement about what happened. Should I give them a question, or should I give them an answer or a response to this question? I think that is such a popular question because a lot of people want to know. You got to be careful of what you say. So should I actually give this insurance company some information?
It's a good question. It's a good question, and the answer is somewhat convoluted. Okay, if it's a very minor accident and you don't see the need, or you're not going to go to a lawyer, you want to call the adjuster and attempt to negotiate the matter yourself, they may not do that unless you give them a recorded statement. However, if it's a case that that you're going to see a lawyer about, or that you should see a lawyer about, I can tell you that your lawyer is going to tell you that you will not give a statement to the adverse insurance company. That just won't happen. Now, if it's your uninsured motorist insurance carrier, they have a right to take a statement, but you also have the right to have your lawyer present when you give that statement. So depending on what the circumstances are, you should or shouldn't, but as a general rule, I would say no, don't give them a statement. You talk to some have a separate adjuster to do the property damage part of the claim. Talk to them about the value of your car and work out something, that's okay. But to give a recorded statement about the facts, the adjuster will have been trained on how to take the recorded statements, and they're going to ask questions that will at least leave your position in question at best. So I would say no. What do you say, Wendell?
I agree with what Carl said. And, you know, we have clients come in all the time that once we put the insurance company on notice, the first question they have is, can I take your client's recorded statement? And our standard response is, sure, let's set up your driver's statement and our driver's statement. We'll do them at the same time. I've never had one take us up on that. They draw the line at that point when it's put back on them.
Of course.
So we don't tell them no. We said, let's do it all at one time. And that they tell us.
And let me hastily add, Morgan, let me hastily add, we're not saying these are bad people or they're trying to do something underhanded. They are working for companies, and that's that company policy, and they're in business to make money and to settle and to resolve claims and investigate claims, and they're just doing what they're paid to do.
Okay.
I'm gonna take issue with what Carl just said. They are bad people. Why?
Okay. Well, thank you for clearing all of that up for us. Okay.